Good morning. It's bright and early and I'm at Hobby Lobby. The sun's kind of going in and out. I think we're gonna have some rain today. And I have some things on my list. So it's the start of a new week and so they're running the sales that I need. So for the media room, and I do have like a target release date for this room, so I need to go ahead and start getting these things now. So I'm gonna go in there, get some stuff, and then I gotta go home, do all my other YouTube stuff. I don't know if I want to get some lanterns. I sketched out the room and everything, but I don't know if I could maybe do one like on either side of the TV the way that I did in the living room. I have those.
Anyway, I'm not sure of everybody's plan. Kyle sent it.
Yeah, I really don't. I like this one. There's only one. I really like that one.
So we're speaking of
Those are pretty.
to help take care of kids, which is good. Yeah. So we'll have the get this big party.
Okay, I know there's a stool over here that I want. There it is. Yeah, so see, table decor is now on sale, and this is the stool. $34.99, so it'd be half off. Yeah, see, it's labeled as a plant stand, and that's exactly what I want to. Oh, it's a little chipped right there. See, this one's nice. I like this base better than that base. I don't care. I can always turn it around. Alright, I'm also searching for a table lamp, which by the way, I also got this little like lantern bird cage. So this was exactly like what I wrote on my list. I'm gonna fill it up with greens and I think that would be really pretty, but I also need a table lamp. I ordered a floor lamp. So I found one that I really liked, but I don't know what to do about the table lamp. I like this color because I think the TV stand is like a darker wood like that. I don't know. These are more like gold and then white, and I want something more like I want something more wood style. Oh man, I should have gotten bags for these. It is not nighttime, you guys. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon and a massive storm is rolling in. Look how dark the house is. So I'm gonna turn the lights on. I feel like my house is a little messy right now. You know, just normal living. But I've got laundry there, laundry here. Let's go ahead and turn these lights on as well. Like, why not? I'm just gonna do, there's one in there, and then those two. There we go. Just go through the kitchen back here. Wow. The oven's open because it cools down a lot faster with it open. You guys told me about that. Let me show you guys what's about to happen. Oh my god, there are clouds down there. You guys can't see them. Oh. And this is the good side, by the way. The bad side is over here. Let's bring this in. Bring these up. Bring this up. I'm just gonna put this over here since I think I threw away the top. I just don't want water to get in there. But all right, we got the furniture in. All right, there we go. I need to buy a cover set, but another time. I've got butter that's out, so I'm gonna put it away. I'm gonna recycle those. There we go. This is my little recycling hold station. I don't have a recycling can in the house just because it's only a few steps to the garage. So I just kind of get some things here and then I take it out. And then the living room needs some lighting as well. So let's do these. I love to take advantage of a thunderstorm. So I want to get the ambiance set, and I look like this because I just got back from jogging. I knew this was going to be my only window to go. So I ran a full mile faster than I normally do, and then I walked the rest of the way home because I knew it was about to pour down rain. So I haven't taken a shower yet because I wanted to grab the camera and show you guys. Let's turn this lamp on too. I still have Lucy on from this morning, but it's like 2 o'clock, so let's do my normal thunderstorm routine. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put Clue on. But let's go with Clue. It's always a good one. I just love like the music, and it has rain in it, so I really like to pair it with the weather. Forgot to take my shoes off, so they go in this basket. I think it'll be kind of nice to shower in lower lighting. So instead of turning on the big light, I'm gonna turn on these smaller track lights. You can see there's one. I'll pick up the camera and show you. There's one there, above the tub, and then down there. These are the kind that take a minute to warm up, so they will get brighter. But yeah, just gonna try to do like a very calm, peaceful shower. Good morning. It's about 8-ish in the morning. Just took a shower and I already got like my skincare products on. I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and Daiso. If you don't know what Daiso is, it's like a Japanese version of a Dollar Tree. And so I haven't been in a really long time. I mean, it's been probably years since I've done an official Daiso haul. So I'm going because that's gonna be today's video. I shouldn't be waiting till the last moment to do these things, but that's kind of how my routine has been going the last couple of weeks. But anyways, I'm really excited. Yeah, I haven't been in there in a while, so I kind of want to see what's going on, and hopefully I'll come away, you know, with some good things. But I wanted to go ahead and just kind of get my hair done for the day. I don't normally do it this early. I should, I don't. So I'm just trying to like change routines in my life right now. I've got my hair tools warming up. I'm gonna, I always have to straighten like the top and then I curl the bottom. So I'm gonna do some soft waves. I don't normally put my purse on until I leave, but I wanted you guys to kind of like get the full effect of, you know, why I've been really into fanny packs lately. So I've got my black one on today, and then my graphic tee, which I was explaining, like even in winter time, like this was gonna be the look I was gonna go for summertime. So we've got my Princess Aurora one. It's from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. My leggings are from Amazon. Oh my gosh. These shoes are not from Amazon. They are from Just Fab, and they have little stars on them. Yeah. So I think they're supposed to be like the Golden Goose dupe or whatever those are called. So this is really the style that I was targeting for summertime, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it for sure. I love when the t-shirts are just a little bit longer, and my experience, it's been over a month, maybe even longer, since I started wearing a fanny pack, but I love it. It's definitely going to be really hard for me to, you know, do a shoulder bag, because my arms are free, and I really do like that when, you know, I have to like shop at Dollar Tree and stuff like that. And it just kind of like sits right here. I can adjust it if I wanted to, bring it up a little bit higher, but I actually really like it right about here, right above my hip. But anyways, this is the look, and yeah, my hair is just pretty plain and simple, no big deal, but I didn't want it to be straight because it just rained yesterday, so I know it's probably humid outside, and if I straightened it, it would frizz. If I curl it, it doesn't frizz as much, so that's why I did that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and head off to Dollar Tree first because they're open. Daiso will be open at 10, so then I'll go there right after Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna come home. In the puzzle section, trying to see if I can spot anything new without having to dig through everything, but you know how it goes. They have some comic books. I think I have these, but it's kind of hard for me to tell. Ooh, do I have these? So cute. so cute. I think I already had these. Super cute. I think I need some more of this. Let's do some dots too. These have been around for so long. Light bulb. My daughter loves these. I think it's, is it this one? Is it orange mango? I don't know which one she likes. But I can't believe these are at Dollar Tree. All right, I'm done with Dollar Tree. I think I got enough for the next 2 videos, but I had planned to get for the next 3. So I might go to one more Dollar Tree, but first I'm gonna go to Daiso. Alright, so I arrived at Daiso. I'm just sitting in the car because they're not open quite yet. I've got about 5 minutes, and what I decided to do was clean out the car. I have not washed this car, taken care of it at all, and that's really not like me. I like to take care of my car, and it's in a desperate need of a wash and a clean on the inside. So my favorite car wash is over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage of that. So I went ahead and got everything in the trunk so that, you know, I didn't have to do it like when I got there. So I did that. Now I'm just gonna wait for them to open and see what kind of fun things I can't find. And then after that, car wash, and then I might stop and get a smoothie because I'm telling you, I need smoothies in my life lately. Alright, now I'm at the car wash. It's probably pretty loud. They're just rinsing off before I go in. I'm so excited because I'm honestly kind of disappointed in myself at how bad I let this get. And I did finish up at Daiso. It was really fun, so I can't wait to share it with everybody. And yeah, so after this, I don't know if I'm gonna get a smoothie or not, but I guess I'll just figure it out.